In this video I'm going to show you how to read tabs. As you know, the guitar has 6 strings, and in tabs every line represents a string. The lowest string is the lowest line in the tabs. So this is the thick E string, and this is the thin E string. Now there's nothing in the tabs, so you don't have to play anything. But if there's a 0 on this line, you have to play the open thick E string, because the 0 is on the line of the thick E string. Now there appears a 0 on a different line in the tabs. Now I'll give you some time to check out what string you need to pick. If you're not ready yet, click on pause, because now I'm going to explain what string you had to pick. The 0 is on the 4th line, or the 3rd last line. So it's the Eddie 8 Dynamite Good. So it's the G string. You have to play the open G string. Assuming now you know how to read the open strings in guitar tabs, we're going to all the other numbers. As I told you in the guitar parts part, the guitar has frets, which divides the neck in smaller parts. This is the 1st fret, this is the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and so on. If there's a 1 on the lowest line, you have to push the string to the 1st fret. Make sure you push your finger as close as possible to the fret, but don't place your finger on the fret, because it will make a buzzing sound. So if there's a 3 on the 3rd line, you have to push the 3rd fret on the D string. Then pick the D string with your thumb, plectrum or finger. Can you play this note? Okay, it's on the 4th line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's on the Eddie 8 Dynamite Good. It's on the G string. And you have to push the string to the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't matter with what finger you push it to the fret. And maybe you have some dots on your fretboard or on the top of your neck, so you can easily see what's the 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret and 12th fret. And now you have to practice reading tabs. And it's good to practice reading tabs by following tutorials. To gain skills fast, I recommend you to play easy songs. For my online guitar method, I wrote easy songs to apply the theory and techniques. The steps are small, so you can play songs fast along with a backing track. What makes you sound like the guitarist of a real band. Check out the basic module on GijsMusicAcademy.com or check out the trill lesson first, so you can experience if my method works for you. Thanks for watching this video and your support by liking this video or leaving a comment. And I hope to see you on GijsMusicAcademy.com or in my next YouTube video.